Spice, shh. It's, please be quiet. I'm starting over. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I actually bought a juicer and we are going to be making detox water that's supposed to be cleansing and anti-inflammatory. So I'm gonna show you step by step everything we did to make our water, and then once it's done, I'll review how good it tastes. It's the Breville Juice Fountain Plus. There were a bunch of models that seemed pretty similar. This one was $150 at Bed Bath & Beyond, but as you know, they always have coupons, so we got 20% off. It ended up being around $130. Basically, with this juicer, you're gonna have the pulp coming out on this side, the juice coming out on this side, and it's one of those that has a wide mouth so you can put bigger stuff in it. So the ingredients we're gonna be using for the detox water is cucumbers, lemons, ginger, and mint.
We're gonna take the mint, we're gonna boil it in that water over there, kind of make a mint tea out of it. Juice these two things together, shave off the yellow parts of the skin, and then we're gonna juice the rest. Then we're gonna add clean water to it.
So I have no idea what he just said. Pretty much, he's gonna be doing all the work, and I'm gonna watch.
I can give you stuff to do.
I'm gonna watch. Can't turn a hoe into a housewife, am I right?
We'll see.
So since I'm not doing anything yet, I'm just gonna change into my pajamas, because like, why not? Let's get to juicing. So before mixing it with the water, I'm gonna try the pure cucumber and ginger juice. Oh my God, it's so spicy. It hurts. I'm crying. I don't know why he did that to me. It was really fucked up. So all this is from 3 cucumbers and about 3 things of ginger. By the way, we got all that fresh produce at the farmer's market for $10. $10 fucking dollars. He just hand squeezed these lemons. That shit looks good. All right, so we're taking the lemon zest and the mint. It was boiled together.
Steeped for about 10 minutes.
It looks like pee. So we just filled it up with water. You can dilute it further if you want it to be more watery and less potent. It looks like some witch's brew, some spooky Halloween shit. All right, trying the first sip. Oh, it's really good. All right, we are done. Cheers.
Stay thirsty, my friends.
Wow, that shit is good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this. I hope it was somewhat educational. I'm still kind of figuring it out as we go along, but I'm really excited about this juicer. And if you want me to, I will continue making videos about how I'm getting healthier, workout stuff, juices I'm making. I'm not someone who's crazy counting calories or eating clean all the time. I'm just a normal person trying to be a little bit healthier. So if you like seeing this, like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I put out something new. See you guys next week.